Sai Ram students, I welcome you all to the last session of chapter number 11 Algebra, that is part 11. In previous session you have solved exercise 11.5 up to question number 4, and in this session we will continue with the solving of exercise 11.5 question number 5, and question number 5 is solve the following riddles. You may yourself construct such riddles. Who am I? First is go round a square counting every corner thrice and no more. Add the count to me to get exactly 34. Here children, to solve this we will take the variable as x. Here, since the square has 4 corners and we go round it 3 times, so our count will become 4 into 3, that is 12. Now last 2 lines in that clue given to us is add the count to me to get exactly 34. That means here to the variable, if we'll add count, we'll get the sum as 34. That means here the equation formed is x plus 12 is equals to 34. Now children, we will solve this equation by the trial and error method, and we will find out the solution of this equation. Here children, if we will take the value of x as 0, then x plus 12 will become 0 plus 12, that is 12. Here the equation is not satisfied. Now we will find out for which value of x the value of expression x plus 12 becomes equal to 34. Now first we will take the value of x is equals to 0. Then the value of expression will become 0 plus 12, that is 12. But children, here we want the value of x plus 12 as 34. That means here the value of x does not satisfy the given equation x plus 12 is equals to 34. Next we'll try for the value of x is equals to 1. Then we'll get the value of expression as 1 plus 12, that is 13. As we need the sum of x plus 12 as 34, here we are getting x plus 12 as 13. That means it does not satisfy the given equation x plus 12 is equals to 34. Like this we will solve for the next value of x, that is x is equals to 2. If we'll add 12 to that, we'll get the value of expression x plus 12 as 2 plus 12, that is 14. Same here, we want the value of x plus 12 as 34, and here we are getting the value of x plus 12 for x is equals to 2 as 14. That means the given value of x is equals to 2 does not satisfy the given expression x plus 12 is equals to 34. Like this we will try for the different values of x such that we will get the sum x plus 12 is equals to 34, and we will finally reach to the value of x is equals to 22. For that we will get x plus 12 is equals to 34. Here for x is equals to 22, the left hand side of the equation becomes equal to the right hand side of the equation x plus 12 is equals to 34. Therefore equation is satisfied at x is equals to 22. Therefore our answer is 22. That means if we go around the corners of a square 3 times, and in that if we'll add the number 22, we'll get the sum as 34. The second one is for each day of a week, make an up count from me. If you make no mistake, you will get 23. Now children, to solve this riddle, we'll take the variable as y. Since a week has 7 days, our count will become 7. And the clue given to us is from the variable, if we will make up count of 7 days, you will get the number as 23. That means variable plus count is equals to 23. And here we have taken variable as y, so we'll get the required equation as y plus 7 is equals to 23. Now children, we will find out the solution of this equation by the trial and error method. Now we will find out for which value of n y plus 7 becomes equal to 23. First we will take the value of y as 0. Then y plus 7 becomes 0 plus 7, which is not equal to 23. That means the value of y is equals to 0 does not satisfy the given equation. Similarly, we will move on to the second, that is, we will take the value of y is equals to 1. If we will take y is equals to 1, y plus 7 becomes 1 plus 7, that means 8. But here we want y plus 7 equals to 23. Therefore, we can say that the value of y is equals to 1 does not satisfy the given equation y plus 7 equals to 23. Then we'll take the value of y as 2. If we'll take y is equals to 2, then our expression y plus 7 becomes 2 plus 7, that is 2 plus 7 is 9. But here we want the value of y plus 7 as 23. This means the value of y is equals to 2 does not satisfy the given equation x plus 7 is equals to 23. Like this, we will try for the different values of y such that finally we will reach to the value of y as is equals to 16. If we'll put y as 16 in the expression y plus 7, the value of expression y plus 7 will become 23, and this satisfies the given equation y plus 7 which is equals to 23. Therefore, we can say that the equation is satisfied at the value of y equals to 16. So, here we'll get the answer as 16. That means from 16, if you will upcount 7 days, you will get the number as 23. Now we will move on to the next riddle, that is third one. I am a special number. Take away from me a 6, a whole cricket team you will still be able to fix. Here children, the clue given to us is a special number is there, and from the special number we are going to take away, or we can say that we are going to subtract 6 from that, so that we'll get a whole cricket team. As we know that a whole cricket team contains 11 number of players. Here, if I'll take the special number as z, variable z, then we'll get the equation as variable minus 6 is equals to 11, and variable used over here is z. So our equation is z minus 6 equals to 11. Let's try to solve this by trial and error method. Now we will find out for which value of z the expression z minus 6 becomes equal to 11. So first we will take the value of z as 0, and if we put the value of z as 0 in z minus 6, we will get the answer as 0 minus 6, which is equals to minus 6. And we want z minus 6 as 11, and we are getting as minus 6. That means for z is equals to 0, the value of equation is not satisfied. Then we will take the value of z as 1. If you will take the value of z as 1, we will get z minus 6 as 1 minus 6, and which is equals to minus 5. But here we want the z minus 6 as 11. Therefore, we can say that z is equals to 1 does not satisfy the given equation. Then we will take the value of z as 2. If we will take the value of z as 2, z minus 6 will become 2 minus 6, which is equals to minus 4. But z minus 6 we want 11, and we are getting minus 4. That means z is equals to 2 does not satisfy the given equation. Like this, we will move on till we'll get the value of z minus 6 as 11, and this we are getting for the value of z is equals to 17. That means 17, z is equals to 17 satisfies the given equation. Here we'll get the answer as 17. Now children, here our special number is 17. Next riddle is, tell me who I am. I shall give a pretty clue. You will get me back if you will take me out of 22. Here, to solve the given riddle, we will consider the number as variable t, and clue given to you is, if you subtract me, that is variable from 22, you will get the variable as answer. Therefore, the equation formed over here is 22 minus t is equals to t. Now, this we will solve by the trial and error method. To find out the solution of the equation 22 minus t is equals to t by using trial and error method, first we will take the value of t is equals to 0. Then 22 minus t becomes 22 minus 0, which is equals to 22. Here both the value of t and 22 minus t is not equal. So we can say that for t is equals to 0, the equation 22 minus t is equals to t is not satisfied. So we will take the next value of t as 1. If we will take t as 1, 22 minus t equals to 22 minus 1, which then we'll get the answer as 21. But children, we want the value of 22 minus t and the value of t, both we want same, and which is not there. That means t is equals to 1 does not satisfies the equation. Then we'll move on to the next number. We'll take the value of t as 2. If we'll take t as 2, we'll get 22 minus t as 20. And in this case also, the value of 22 minus t and the value of t both are not same. So we can say that the value of t is equals to 2 does not satisfies the given equation. Like this, we will try for the different values of t, and finally we will reach to the value of t equals to 11. If we'll put the value of t equals to 11 in the expression 22 minus t, we'll see that we'll get the value of 22 minus t as 11. Here, if you'll observe carefully, you will see that the value of t and 22 minus t both are same. That means 22 minus t equals to t. Therefore, t is equals to 11 satisfies the given equation. So we can say that equation is satisfied at t is equals to 11. Therefore, here we'll get the answer as 11. And we can say that the required number is 11. Children, I am ending this session over here. Till then, goodbye children.